In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A favicon is the small icon that appears next to your store's title in a browser tab, and it plays an important role in establishing your brand's identity online. Adding a favicon can help customers recognize your store instantly, and it's a small detail that adds a professional touch to your online presence. Before we begin, make sure you have your favicon image ready. This image should ideally be in a square format and no larger than 32 by 32 pixels. Formats such as PNG, JPEG, and ISO are commonly used for favicons. Once you have your image prepared, save it in a spot on your computer where you can easily find it. With your favicon image ready, log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin panel on the left and click on the Online Store button. Under this section, find and click on Themes. This will bring up a page showing your current theme, which includes options to customize it. Click on the Customize button to open the theme editor. The theme editor is where we'll be able to upload and set your new favicon. Once you're in the theme editor, look at the left-hand side of the screen again. There should be several settings you can adjust, and what we're looking for is called Theme Settings, often located towards the bottom. Click on it and a new menu will appear. In this new menu, find and select Favicon. This is where you'll be uploading your favicon image. Now, go ahead and click on Select Image. This will prompt a window to open, allowing you to either choose an image from your Shopify library or to upload a new one. Click Upload to locate your favicon image on your computer. After you've selected your file, click on the Open button to upload it to Shopify. Once the upload is complete, ensure that the favicon displays correctly in the preview. Now, let's not forget to save your work. On the top right corner of the theme editor, you'll see a Save button. Click it to ensure all your changes are finalized. Saving your changes might take a couple of seconds, but once it's done, your favicon is officially live. To verify that everything looks as expected, simply open a new tab in your browser and visit your store's website. You should now see your newly added favicon next to your store's title in the tab. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Shopify store. This simple addition can make a great difference in your store's branding, so take a moment to appreciate your handiwork. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your store.